In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily install YouTube as a progressive web app using Google Chrome. This is a great trick to have YouTube as an app on your desktop, making it super easy to access anytime you want without navigating through your browser each time. It's quick, convenient, and you'll love the easy access once we're done. Let's dive right in. Firstly, what you need to do is head over to your computer and open up Google Chrome. Google Chrome is a web browser developed by Google, and it comes packed with lots of useful features. It's important that you use Chrome for this process because it has the capability to install certain websites as progressive web apps, which essentially means that you're creating a shortcut that opens like an app. Once you have Google Chrome open and ready to go, you're set for the next step. Now, in the search bar at the top, go ahead and type in YouTube. Press enter on your keyboard and you'll be directed to the search results page. You want to click on the first link that appears, which should be the official YouTube website. Once you're on the YouTube website, you're halfway there. You might already be familiar with this step, as we often start here to watch our favorite videos, but this time we'll go a step further. Here comes the fun part. Look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll notice 3 vertical dots, which is essentially the Chrome menu button. Click on these dots and a drop-down menu will appear. Scroll through the menu and look for the option that says Install YouTube. This might appear near the option that allows you to bookmark the page. Once you've found Install YouTube, go ahead and click it. Immediately you'll see a prompt asking if you want to install YouTube. This is just Chrome confirming that you do want to create this app shortcut. Click on the Install button to proceed, and just like that, you're done. You've successfully installed YouTube as a progressive web app on your desktop. Now you can close out of Chrome and take a look at your desktop or start menu depending on your operating system. You should see a new YouTube icon sitting there ready for you to click on whenever you want to jump into your favorite content. This option not only speeds up how you get to YouTube, but it also allows for an app-like experience without needing a traditional app installation. Thanks for watching and enjoy your newly installed YouTube app on your computer.